Hey guys, welcome to For Tutorials. Guys, today I create music beats with using Cinema 4D R19 and sound effector tool. Firstly guys, I take sphere and change sphere radius. This my radius take only 10 centimeter. And guys, I take cloner, select this sphere and make child with cloner. Select this cloner and mode, use same liner, increase count. I take 30. See guys, this is my position. Change position, Y take 0 and X position take 15 centimeter. See, right? Go to in mid like this. Guys, I use sound effector tool. So select this cloner and go to MoGraph, effector and use sound. Go to effector here. Firstly guys, increase this box. Select this, increase and up. Go to soundtrack, load soundtrack. This is my music. I give you download link in description. Press OK. This is my load. Guys, go to down. This is my DASI and strength increase. DASI take 20% and strength I take 150%. Increase frame. I take 1000 frames. 1000. Guys, I go to parameter. This is my sound parameter and position is good. Go to scale, scale check and ununiform scale check. This is my scale size. Scale size take -5 and play. Stop. Guys, I apply random. So select this cloner, select cloner and go to MoGraph, effector, use random. Change position. X position take 0, Y same 50 and Z take 0. Go to scale and check, ununiform scale check. Scale size I take this time -2. See, this is my sound beats, effect and play. Guys, I apply rigid body tag. Guys, you can increase more segments on this pair. Select this pair and this is my segments. For more smoothness, take 50 and apply rigid body tag. Select this pair, right click, simulation tag and use rigid body and go to force. This is my force. Follow position take 6 and follow rotation take 6. Go to 0 frame, play. Stop. Guys, I apply delay factor. So again select cloner, go to MoGraph, effect and use delay. Select this delay and go to effector. This is my mode, use spring. Go to back. Okay, stop. Guys, I apply a little bit noise. So select this random and go to effector. This is my random mode. Use noise. That's it guys. See. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys, I apply dust effect on this animation. So go to back, select this sphere. I apply 4 spheres. Select sphere and press Ctrl key and drag and drop. Right? I have 2 sphere. After that, select both sphere and again copy. Press Ctrl key and drag and drop. Select both. Yeah, see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Select this cloner and guys copy, press Ctrl, drag and drop, right? Select all sphere and change sphere radius. This my radius, take only 2 centimeter, 2, and guys select this copy cloner tags, follow position, take 0 and follow rotation, take 0. Play. Okay, go to back. Guys, select this copy cloner. This is my count. Take 0 on 0 frames and check, right? Go to last frame like 1000 frame and count. Take same 1000 and check. And lastly guys, this is my position, take 0. Select this cloner, copy cloner, go to in mid. Yeah, okay guys, it's so easy. And play. Okay, guys, I apply material. I go to create and load material. Select this my material. I apply purple and yellow. Apply any material is your wish, like red. Same on here. Apply purple, blue, yellow and red. Right? Use light also. Go to file, merge, select Cinema 4D Studio Light and open. Guys, take camera and camera check. Select this overhead softbox. Go to inmate and little bit up. Select this small softbox, little bit back because this is overlap in camera. And select this flow and background down. Guys, I go to front view panel, little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Guys, I apply collider tag on this flow. Unfold this background and flow. Select this flow, right click, simulation tag and use collider body and go to camera. Camera rotation, take 0, 0 and take like this. Yeah, that's good. Select this softbox, little bit more back and play. See guys, this is really nice. Guys, I go to render setting. Same output, film and video, use HD1080 and frame, use all frame. Go to save, format, I take JPEG sequences and file, save file path, desktop, render and take any file name. Go to Anti, select Best, Effect, Ambient Occlusion and Global Illumination. That's it guys. And render. Press OK. Right? Guys, you can take some color correction. Go to Filter, Enable Filter Check. Saturation, take 20. Brightness, take 2. And contrast, take 10. After renders, save the all animation. So guys, my tutorial is finished. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.